So hi guys, today we will be taking care of some gaming peripherals. Mind the word peripherals, the S, because we have two keyboards here, the Logitech G213 and the Logitech G413. Both come from the Logitech G gaming series, and we are here to compare these two. So the basic difference is the Logitech G213 is a membrane keyboard and the G413 is a mechanical keyboard. So let's see what's the conclusion of this video. Which one is better? Which one is for you? Taking a close look at the build and design, the G213 is a high-grade plastic body. The sides are polished while the top is rough finish, while the G413 has an aluminium plate on the top which gives it a much sturdy look. G413 is also a little bit heavier compared to the G213. G213 also comes with an extended handrest plate which does provide more comfort for long work hours. Now, keeping other things aside, let's take a deep look into the keys. Now, G213 has a high quality membrane and it's a damn good membrane keyboard, but G413 is a keyboard with ROM-RG custom mechanical switches. The typing experience is overall better on the G413. It has the perfect feedback, no key skips or incomplete key registers, no ghosting, while the G213 is quite comfortable though. But it has some pressure variance and the feedback is also not consistent as compared to a mechanical keyboard. But I didn't notice any key skips or ghosting, which is typically the most complained drawbacks of a membrane keyboard. The upper part of the keycaps are perfectly shaped to position your finger. Coming to ROM-RG, it has a faster actuation point, that is, it is 25% faster. What it means is keys typically take much less distance to travel before being registered. Now let's talk about the gaming features. Both has customizable G keys, which are the macro keys, and you can use the Logitech G software to customize the keys functionality. You can also control the RGB. Now coming to the RGB, G213 is a full RGB keyboard with 16.8 million colors, but G413 comes only with one color, that is red or white, and both has some effects. Now the keycaps on G413 can be modified, but not in case of G213. G413 also comes with some extra grooved keycaps. Coming to multimedia keys, G213 has separate multimedia keys for volume up, down, play, pause, and start, stop, previous, next track, like this, the standard multimedia keys. But G413 has integrated that into F1 to F12 rows, so no extra multimedia keys, but the functionality is still there. Beneath the keyboard there is a rubber padding for added grip and two high quality height razors to give your palm an added elevation. Coming to connector, Logitech G213 comes with single connector and G413 comes with dual connector and a USB pass-through. Coming to conclusion, both keyboards are very good. If you want sheer performance, you need to go for the G413 cause it's mechanical, but the G213 has the RGB and for a membrane it's quite close to perfect. The drawbacks of G413 can be listed as no extra multi-keys, heavier, no RGB, while its advantages are sleek compact design and mechanical keys, while downsides of G213 are larger size, no mechanical keyboard, while advantages are easily accessible keys, handrest and full RGB. So bye guys, this video ends here, and please like this video if you were able to know something, get some information about the keyboards from this video, and then subscribe the channel if you are new. The common things you need to do, please share this video if you feel that someone needs it. This is all for today. Bye. My name is Ajik, signing out for the moment.